you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a detailed first look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, one of the most recognizable luxury sedans in the world. The S-Class has always represented comfort, technology, refinement and premium engineering. For this video, we're looking at a stunning metallic green glossy shine version standing inside a bright white luxury showroom. The combination of the deep green paint, chrome details and bright showroom lighting gives this S-Class a very elegant appearance. Let's start with the exterior. From the front, the S-Class immediately gives you that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz presence. The large grille sits proudly in the center, with the Mercedes three-pointed star creating a strong luxury identity. The headlights are slim and sophisticated, giving the front end a modern appearance. Depending on specification, Mercedes offers advanced digital lighting technology designed to provide excellent illumination while also adding a distinctive lighting signature. The hood is long and smoothly sculpted. This long hood is an important part of the S-Class design because it gives the sedan a classic luxury car proportion. The front bumper is carefully shaped to improve airflow while maintaining the elegant appearance expected from an S-Class. Now look at the car from the front three-quarter angle. This is where the metallic green paint really stands out. The bright showroom lights move across the body, highlighting the curves of the hood, front fenders and doors. The S-Class doesn't need an extremely aggressive design to look expensive. Its design is based on elegance and presence. The smooth body surfaces, precise panel lines and chrome details give it a sophisticated character. Moving toward the side, the long wheelbase proportions become even more obvious. The S-Class is designed primarily around passenger comfort, so the long cabin and generous rear seating area are extremely important. The doors are large and elegant, while the flush door handles create a cleaner appearance. When the vehicle is unlocked, the handles can present themselves and then sit nearly flush with the body when the car is parked. The side windows have a refined chrome surround, adding another premium detail. The panoramic glass roof also makes the cabin feel more open. Now let's look at the wheels. The S-Class can be equipped with a variety of premium alloy wheel designs depending on trim and market. The multi-spoke wheels shown here complement the luxury character of the car. They're large enough to give the sedan a strong stance without making the design look unnecessarily aggressive. Moving toward the rear, the S-Class continues its elegant theme. The rear lights have a distinctive Mercedes design and provide a recognizable nighttime appearance. The trunk is smoothly integrated into the body. The Mercedes emblem sits proudly in the center, while the S-Class badge identifies the model. The rear bumper remains clean and sophisticated. Unlike a performance-focused AMG model, the standard S-Class prioritizes elegance, comfort and luxury. From the rear three-quarter angle, the long body and wide stance are especially noticeable. The metallic green paint looks almost different depending on the angle of the light. Under bright white showroom lighting, you can see subtle reflections running across the entire body. Now let's talk about the engine. The exact powertrain of the 2026 S-Class varies by market and specification, with Mercedes-Benz offering different electrified and performance configurations. Modern S-Class models have increasingly used electrification to combine smooth performance with improved efficiency. Depending on the market, buyers may find 6-cylinder or V8-based powertrains, along with plug-in hybrid technology and AMG performance versions. The important thing about the S-Class isn't simply horsepower. It's the way the power is delivered. The engine is designed to provide extremely smooth acceleration. You don't want an S-Class to feel nervous or harsh. Instead, the goal is effortless performance. Press the accelerator and the car should build speed smoothly and quietly. The transmission works with the engine to keep the driving experience refined. Depending on specification, Mercedes also offers all-wheel drive technology through its 4MATIC system. This can improve traction and stability, especially in difficult road conditions. Now let's move inside. The steering wheel includes multiple controls that allow the driver to operate various vehicle functions without constantly taking their hands away from the wheel. The central touchscreen is one of the main highlights of the cabin. Mercedes has developed the S-Class around a highly digital user experience. The screen can control navigation, media, climate settings and many vehicle functions. The interface is designed to feel modern and premium. Ambient lighting is another major part of the S-Class experience. At night, the cabin can be illuminated with different ambient lighting themes. The lighting runs through the dashboard, doors and other areas of the cabin, creating a relaxing atmosphere. The seats are equally important. The S-Class is designed to make long-distance travel extremely comfortable. The front seats can offer multiple adjustments, heating and ventilation, and depending on specification, advanced massage functions. The rear seats are even more important. This is where the S-Class really shows its executive character. Rear passengers can enjoy generous legroom, comfortable seating and individual controls. Depending on specification, rear passengers can have dedicated displays and advanced entertainment functions. The center armrest provides access to additional controls. You can adjust various comfort settings without needing to reach toward the front dashboard. The panoramic glass roof brings additional light into the cabin. During the day, it creates a bright and spacious environment. At night, it works together with the ambient lighting to create a completely different atmosphere. Now let's talk about technology. The S-Class is packed with advanced electronic systems. The infotainment system can provide navigation, entertainment, connectivity and vehicle controls. Smartphone integration allows drivers to connect their devices. Voice control can also make it easier to operate various functions while keeping attention on the road. Depending on specification, the S-Class can also offer premium audio systems designed to turn the cabin into a private concert hall. The sound system is particularly impressive when you're sitting in the rear. The S-Class also uses numerous sensors and cameras to monitor the environment around the vehicle. These systems support advanced driver assistance functions. Features can include adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, blind spot monitoring, parking assistance and collision warning technology. The exact features depend on the market and selected equipment. Another important feature is the suspension. The S-Class is designed to glide over the road. Instead of transmitting every bump and vibration into the cabin, the suspension works to isolate passengers from the road surface. Depending on specification, advanced suspension systems can actively adjust to road conditions. This is especially useful on long journeys. Some S-Class versions also offer rear axle steering. This system can turn the rear wheels slightly in the opposite direction at low speeds, reducing the turning circle. At higher speeds, the rear wheels can work with the front wheels to improve stability. This makes a large luxury sedan easier to maneuver in city environments while also improving high-speed handling. Now let's talk about driving comfort. The S-Class isn't designed to make every journey feel like a race. Instead, it focuses on effortless movement. The steering is smooth, the suspension is comfortable, the cabin remains quiet, and the engine provides enough power to accelerate without drama. This is the kind of vehicle where you can travel hundreds of kilometers and arrive feeling relaxed. That is the real strength of the S-Class. Now let's discuss practicality. The S-Class offers a spacious cabin with comfortable seating for passengers. The trunk provides useful luggage capacity for everyday travel and long-distance journeys. But the real practicality comes from the amount of passenger space. The rear cabin is designed almost like a private lounge. For business executives or buyers who regularly travel with a chauffeur, this can be especially important. Now let's return to the exterior. The metallic green color gives this particular S-Class a unique personality. Traditional S-Class colors often focus on black, silver, white, and dark. Green gives the car emphasizing luxury character while making the vehicle stand out. The chrome grille, premium wheels and silver exterior details create a beautiful contrast against the green paint. Under the bright white showroom lights, the paint appears deep and highly reflective.
But you open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love for rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Why you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin, so why you always halfway in? Halfway